guys, so we're going to take a look at the new Dodge Hornet and got the very nice yellow gold color on here. Take a look on the interior. Taking a look at the very nice interior, nice black with the red stitching. Looks nice and clean, smells really good too. Nice clean new interior smell. Take a look on the inside here. Oh, the seat fits, and that's a comfy fit. Just gonna close here. That's a comfy interior. Got that right there. That's a nice digital screen. Shows that the doors open just a little bit, so that's cool. Cool. Okay, let's see. Kind of change the channel around. That's cool. AC vents. Those things are already blowing nice and cold. That's cool. And these are pretty nice, chic little vents right there as well. We got 1, 2 cup holders. Got a nice little space down there. Not super big. Pretty nice. Got, I'm pretty comfortable right here. So look at the leg space there. And then taking a look at the back seat. Looks like a pretty good amount of space back there as well. So we'll pop on out here. Take a look at the back seats. Make sure we don't hit this nice Jeep Compass out here. Let's take a look at the back. And so obviously seats rolled all the way back for the passenger side, so that's a little bit of a tight squeeze, but I definitely had a lot more leg space in the front that I could move forward in. But take a look at that. Got the no. Oh, hello. Hey, look at that, people. So you can take that down in the back, be able to put stuff through if you needed to. That's a cool feature. You got 2 cup holders, pretty nice feeling. You can put your phone right about there. That's nice. You got your nice 2 air vents, open and close, USB ports, and a pretty good amount of storage. Look at the door. We got a cup holder there, speakers. Interior looks nice. I like that. Take a look at the rear end here. So GT model. I mean, it really does look like a little grown-up Dodge, honestly, is what it looks like. The wheels look pretty nice. I think the blacked out wheels will look a lot better. But that is a sweet looking little vehicle there. I like it. Engine sounded pretty good from the inside as well. But yeah, nice little vehicle. Cool.